2021 Chrysler Pacifica. We're going to check out the cabin filter. It's located behind the glove box. Open it up. First thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the damper cord you have here. All you got to do is pull the string, pull the thing down, and you can disconnect it. Let go of it. Come over here, grab the glove box right here, and you're going to pull towards you. And you're actually going to disconnect it from the hinge that's right down in there. Same thing on this side. Okay. Then you can lower it down. Once you got that down, push this little pin in right here. Okay. And you can remove this. Okay, and it'll come loose. Once you flap that up, your cabin filter is located in this box right here. Right. This box, come over here and you can undo the box by pushing the buttons. Okay, all you gotta do is push that little trigger down, you'll figure it out. Same thing on this side over here. Okay, once you get it off, then you can pull this nasty cabin filter right out. Check this guy out. It is gross. Gross.